On Select Total Parts Pro today with 2016 Mazda BT-50 stock number 7111. It's run from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory mag tyre. Left hand taillight, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory mag tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heat AC controls, factory single stack stereo, front courtesy lock sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.